got brass in pocket, gunpowder, I'm gonna use it. Intention, I'm feeling mental, gonna make you notice. Got motion, restrained emotion, I've been diving, detour leaning, no reason, just seems so pleasing. Gonna make you notice. Gonna use my arms, gonna use my legs, gonna use my style, gonna use my side step, gonna use my fingers, gonna use my imagination. 'Cause I gonna make you see there's nobody else here, no one like me. I'm special, so special. I got help, some
So what do you think about that?
attention, give it to me.
Happy with it? Well, while you weren't looking, I did another one.
Got new skank, sorry, got something winking at you. Gonna make you notice. Gonna use my arms, gonna use my legs, gonna use my style, gonna use my side step, gonna use my fingers, gonna use my imagination. 'Cause I gonna make you see there's nobody else here, no one like me. I'm special, so special. I got help, some of your attention, give it to me. 'Cause I gonna make you see.
Oh yeah, what's up guys? Coming back to you here with another video. What you saw there was just some footage of a laser install I did up in Indiana just week before last. It's been a crazy last 3 weeks. I've installed a laser, took delivery of 7 press brakes, got all of those shipped out, personally delivered 2 of those, did the installation and training on those as well. And last Thursday, I picked up the press brake you're seeing here in Houston and delivered it to Scottsboro, Alabama, which is very near where I grew up at, and got a chance to spend some time with my family, visit with them, and get this machine installed for Wenzel Metal Spinning over there in Scottsboro. If you're a customer of mine, you'll know this scenario very well. What normally happens on a new install of a laser or a press brake, there's a lot of anticipation, excitement, and then there's, you know, kind of some struggle, frustration. We have error messages, alarms, wiring issues, calibration issues. So a little bit of a work in progress to get all that worked out. And then usually like 99.99% of the time, by the time I walk out of there, the machine is doing exactly what it's supposed to be. Customers, big smiles all the way around. Everybody's happy and on to the next one. So over the next, probably month or so, I have many trips coming. I've got more press brakes on the way. I think I've got somewhere around 8 lasers somewhere in progress, either in production or on the en route or about to be installed coming up here in the next few weeks. So it's going to be busy. And if you're one of my neighbors happen to be watching this, you're probably not going to see me too much. Waiting on some footage from a customer to finish up a video from a laser install I did up in Minnesota. They have some time-lapse footage of the unloading, and I want to get that from them to finish their video. But I have upcoming trips to Missouri, Arizona, Michigan, Florida, California, and back to Indiana again. And I have only one press brake in stock right now, and check it out. Yeah. Hey guys, check this out. This is a Prima 8-foot, 110-ton hydraulic press brake. This is an NC type with a CNC back gauge. It's got the Cybelic CT8 controller. Foot pedal back here. You can see the back gauge. Huge hydraulic tank. There's the motor. So got this one available for immediate shipping. $39,000 plus shipping. 8 foot, 110 ton. I think it's, I'll double check it. I think it'll do 3/16 across the full width and 1/4 inch at like 6 feet. And it may do 1/4 inch full width if you have a slightly bigger oversized bottom die. Here's a look at the tooling, 4-way bottom die and a top punch that's not gooseneck, but you can see it's got some back relief there to give you a little help on some tight bends. So check it out. Let me know if you're interested in getting this one.